Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are going to discuss about equality of matrices plus additive inverse and all. So let's begin. See, if we talk about equality of matrices, see, the word itself is suggesting what? Equality means what? Equal. Okay. So what are the prior condition? First condition, to make any two matrices, to keep any matrices to equal, what is required means they should be of same order. One condition, okay, order be of same, and each and every each you can write only each is enough. Each element should be equal, should be same, you can write even. Okay, then only you can say two matrices are equal. Okay, fine. Let me give you one example. I can give you an example. For example, if I say A, B, C, D, it will be equal to A, B, C, D. You are getting my point? What is happening? This is row 1, column 1, element is A. Row 1, column 1, element is A. Row 1, column 2 is element is B. Row 1, column 2 is B. Means even their position wise elements is equal. For example, let me give you one more example in terms of numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Then only we can say matrices are equal. Let me give you one more example. 5, 6, 9, minus 2, 0, 5, 3, 7, 8. Okay, now we have 5, 6, 9, minus 2, 0, 5, 3, 7, 8. These two matrices are also equal because each order is same. It is by 3 by 3. It is also 3 by 3. Okay, now you can see even the elements on the particular position is equal. Okay, then only we can say they are equal. Okay, then only equality of matrices can be understood. I hope you are getting my point. Okay, and if I talk about, let me do something. Suppose I make, this is minus 6, this is 6, this is minus 6, and you can have this. So now at this point, these two, you can see that what I've done, I've changed the sign of these particular two elements. Why? Now these two matrices will not be equal. Why? Because even their values are changed. As you know, positive values and negative values have a different variation if things are there. So okay, this cannot be equal. Even sign and everything should be equal. Then only we can say that two matrices are equal. And I hope you are able to understand what is the concept of equality, or putting matrices equal, or how to put two matrices equal, or how to say these matrices are equal. So it has to be in same order. Secondly, each and every element should be same. I hope you are understanding my point. Or we can say same order and corresponding elements of both the matrices are equal. Then only they are said to be what? Equality of matrices. I hope this topic called equality of matrices has been not been equal. I mean, it's clear to you all. Now let's move to our next topic called additive inverse. So let me clean my board and get back to you. Now we are going to discuss about what? Additive inverse. Now listen to my words very carefully. Two matrices of same order, means the condition same order, and then how the condition of additive inverse will be followed. So we can say A plus B equals to B plus A equals to null matrix. Null matrix. You are getting my point? You are getting my point? A plus B equals to B plus A equals to null matrix. If null matrix will come, what it will be? Then we can say A is a additive inverse of B and B is a additive inverse of A. Getting my point? Then only we can say, what we can say? When this condition will be satisfied, when then A plus B equals to B plus A, and it will be a null matrix, then it will be considered what? A is an additive inverse of B and B is additive inverse of A. Let me give you a very simple example. Suppose we are not having two matrices. Okay, we are having just one matrix. How we will prove that? Example, let me take A equals to 5, 6, 2, 3. Okay. Now by finding its additive inverse, what we will do? By this one, what we can also do? Additive inverse can also, we can say, always remember, additive inverse of a single matrix is its negative. Okay, it's its negative. Means what you have to do, this is now we are this I told you for the two matrices. Okay, now first understood for the first single one, and then I'll explain for the second also. Okay, so additive inverse of a single matrix is its minus. What is? Means additive inverse of A, we can say minus A. You will put this minus sign with that matrix. Now same I'm going to do, 5, 6, 2, 3. Now what it will become? 5, 2, 6, 3 minus minus. Now how it is going to satisfy? Things are there. Okay, got it my point? And if I add these two, suppose 5, 6, 2, 3, A plus minus A equals to null matrix should come. Then only our condition for what? Additive inverse will be satisfied. So this is A plus minus A. 6, 2, 3. Okay. My minus 2 will come here also. So now what we will do? 5 minus 5, 6 minus 6, 2 minus 2, 3 minus 3. What will become? Everything will be get cancelled. So it will become what? Null matrix. So additive inverse of any matrix is its minus of that particular matrix. Getting my point? This I explained by having a single matrix. I hope you understood till now. So till now you understood, for single matrix I proved that it becomes 0. So we can say additive inverse of any single matrix is its negative of that particular matrix. In case of 2, what will happen? Let me give an example which I explained this one. So I'll give you that. Okay, for single one you understood. Now for the two cases I told, A plus B equals to B plus A equals to null matrix. Okay, suppose I say B equals to 6, 8, 9, 10. Okay, this thing is there. Now what will happen? As you can see, it will not satisfy the condition. A plus B, if we will do, it will become 5 plus 6, 5 plus 6, 6 plus 8, 2 plus 9, 3 plus 10. What it will give? 11, 14, 11, 13. Okay, so you clearly can see that, okay fine, it cannot be become 0. It's not becoming 0. So we will not be like following A plus B equals to B plus A equals to null matrix, because our first criteria is that whether it's A plus B or B plus A, it should become null. Means null matrix is what? 0 matrix. All the elements are 0. So this is not a null matrix. Okay, so we can say this is not an additive inverse of A and B. We cannot find it out. This is how we can do. Now what else we can do? Suppose what happened, getting my point? We are having two matrices, two different matrices, A and B. We can see the elements are same. Now let's find A plus B. When we will do A plus B, 6 minus 6, 8 minus 8, 9 minus 9 and 10 minus 10. Okay, what happened? It will become null matrix, of course, 0. ठीक, whether you will do b plus a minus 6 plus 6 minus 8 plus 8 minus 9 plus 9 minus 10 plus 10, what will happen? This will also get cancelled and it will become 0. Okay, in this case we can say a is additive inverse of b and b is additive inverse of a. You are getting my point? Then what is happening? Our matrices are becoming 0. So we can say a plus b equals to b plus a equals to null matrix. Then only the condition of our additive inverse will be clear, means satisfied. Okay, I hope you are getting my point. Additive inverse is being clear to you and equality of matrices. Thank you for watching, and your Baaji is here to help you out with your mathematics skill to improve it, and I hope you are getting my point and you are able to understand what is being taught over here. So thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care.